हेलो स्टूडेंट। ये क्वेश्चन है आपका 11th क्लास का 3.8 नंबर क्वेश्चन है 11th क्लास फिजिक्स पार्ट 1। तो इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है कि ऑन द 2-lane रोड कार A इज ट्रेवलिंग with a speed of 36 km per hour and two car B and C approach a car in opposite direction with a speed of 54 km per hour each. At a certain distance, when a distance AB is equal to AC and both being 1 kilometer, the B decide to overtake A before C does. So what is the minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid accident? Let me first we draw the graph. What is the situation in this case? So this is the car A and it is moving in this direction, and the speed of this car A is 36 km per hour. So if I convert this 36 km per hour into meter per second, so it will be 36 into 5 by 18, so this will be 10 meter per second. So this is moving with 10 meter per second, and this car is C. It is moving in this direction, and the C has the speed. If I convert into meter per second, so it will be 15 meter per second. And again car B is there. This is car B and it is also having the same speed in opposite direction. So this distance is 1 kilometer, or we can say 1000 meter, and this distance is also 1 kilometer, so I say this is also 1000 meter. So B decided to overtake. So B decided to overtake this A by avoiding the accident with C. So first we need to calculate how much time taken by C to cover this 1000 meter. So to calculate this distance, this time, so first we need to know the relative velocity of C with respect to A. So velocity of C with respect to A, so it will be 10 because they are approaching towards each other. So 10 plus 15, it will be 25 meter per second. And how much distance it will be cover? This distance is 1000 meter, and how much time it will be take? It will take how much time? So it will be 1000 divided by 25, it will be 40 second. So in this 40 second, we need to, this B has to cover this distance within this 40 second to avoid the accident. So now the B is this, and B has to cover this distance. This is 1000 and this is A. A is having 10 meter per second speed. This is B, and B is having initial speed 15 meter per second. So this is A. So what is the relative? The velocity of B with respect to A, it will be 15 minus 10, so we can say 5 meter per second. So this is the initial speed we can say the B has. So what is the relative distance which B has to cover? This is 1000 meter, and this distance is covered within how much second? 40 second. So initial speed is 5. In 40 second this is A. I am just applying the formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, so this is divided by 2 into t square, it is 40 into 40. So from here you will get A is equal to 1 meter per second square. So this would be the answer of this question. Thank you.